Okay, good morning. This is Daily Bias. Coming into today's open, we can see overnight we kind of just dumped. There's still this 4 hour fair value gap that's holding from last time. I want to see, I predict price to respect it because I don't really think there's any reason for us to continue lower. We're just going to respect it. I marked out this order block, the open of the order block as well as the midpoint of the order block, just to have a more refined PD array within this stacking confluence as always. On the 1 hour, I marked out our OTE of the range, and I marked out this liquidity point as well as this liquidity point. I don't really necessarily think price will go that low. I think price is just likely going to reverse off of this London low, but if it does, it's fine because it's still within our OTE range. So see a reversal off of that, that's fine. If we go back to the 4 hour real quick, look at the PD arrays, see what we're respecting, disrespecting. We're disrespecting some bullish PD arrays. We're respecting bearish PD arrays. Head down to the 1 hour. Yeah, so based purely off of that, you'd be looking for shorts. But I do think this is our target, and the high time frame is bullish based on the order block as well as the 4 hour daily fair value gap. Head down to 15-minute. Now we can read the sessions. What are the sessions telling us? Please stand for me. Anyway, Asian distributed through a distributed bearish. London continued to move without taking any Asian liquidity. So price is likely to do two things. Either price will, suppose it opens here, come up and then continue lower, or price will go down, sweep. Well, it already swept it, but it's like it could create an inducement, sweep those two lows, and then continue higher to all-time highs. I'm moreover leaning to this, just simply because the all-time high draw is very strong, and these are higher time frame draws that we're about to sweep within OTE of the range. Even if we are bearish, I probably won't trade just because we're so overdrawn into a premium. Oh, sorry. Yeah, into a premium range. Like, let me mark this out all the way from the top down here. Like, yeah, only if we were to, like, if we were to sweep London high, then I would be looking for shorts, sure, because at that point, we're in the premium of the range rather than the discount of the range. You never want to long. I mean, you never want to sell short outside of premium. Never want to long in discount. Never want to long in premium. Never short in discount. What the fuck am I saying? All right. Yeah, that's my bias of the day. Looking for longs, willing to take shorts, given we take this and see a valid continuation to the downside. Even if we do, my targets would be these because these liquidities are pretty powerful. I don't think we'll just take one liquidity and reverse off because the gap between this and that is like 20 points. It's not that big of a deal. But yeah, those are my two scenarios for the day. Let me just mark them out again because I'm retarded and didn't do it before. Down, up, down. That's the bearish scenario. Bullish scenario. Down, up, and then all the way to all-time highs. Fucking, there we go. Bam. Yeah. Order flow is leaning bearish, but I think the moves continued because as you can see, we're respecting bearish for value gaps. We're inversing bullish for value gaps. That's a horrible drawing, but you get the point. Order flow is definitely leaning bearish, but I think that could reverse come New York Open. All right.